Unboxing lip balm worth 3,400 rupees. It's the famous Dior Lip Addict lip glow. So I got this from airport where it costed me around 3,000 rupees, but you can buy from Nykaa and other websites at a non-discounted price too. So those who are into really good packaging and details will find it quite nice. The shade that I got was 001 pink. So what I wasn't expecting was an adequate quantity, because to be honest, from my personal experience, I have used some products, especially the expensive ones, who just focus on packaging, the detailing, but the quantity is unfortunately always compromised. So as you can see, the lip balm has a natural sheen which sparkles in the sunlight beautifully, and it has a pink hue which was exactly the shade and the tint that I was looking for when I bought it. So this was it for now, but for a detailed review, stay tuned to know whether it's worth it or not.